one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. There are seasons where it's felt as if everything is measured, where our strength itself is rationed, where joy is coming only in small portions. But the Lord says, I am not the Lord who brings you into a place of only surviving. I am the Lord who blesses you, the Lord who brings you into a place of overflow. Trust that I am your source, that I am your provider, for I am filling you again and anew in this time. It's not my desire that you are left empty, but it is my desire that you are filled again and afresh. Stand ready to receive. Stand ready with your heart open wide, for I'm bringing my renewal. I'm bringing my refreshing presence to you. I love you and I delight in you. Draw close in this day. Draw near in this season, for I'm bringing my refreshing presence to you. I'm renewing you. I'm restoring you. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.